What's up guys, Meredith with American Trucks, and today we are checking out the Rough Country Custom Fit Under-Seat Storage Compartment fitting on 2015 and newer Super Crew F-150s. Now, if you're taking a look at this compartment, chances are you're looking for some better organization to keep your truck clean and organized, while also keeping that stuff that you need to organize easily accessible, and that's exactly what this is going to bring to the table. Now, this will offer a clean and a hidden look to keep your truck from being a mess in the back with tools, equipment, gear, or whatever else that you have in your back seat, while also not having to add anything to your bed or somewhere else that may be a bit more difficult to reach if you need your stuff quick. Now, this system is going to span door-to-door and will contour very well with the shape of your seat and the details on the floor, looking like it came there right from the factory, besides the stylish Rough Country branding over on the end. Now, the inside will be very deep and spacious, allowing really whatever you need to store, big or small, under your seat. And I like the fact that this is not going to be just a divider, it will be a full compartment. Now, it will, however, come with internal dividers if you do want to keep your items separate. Now, speaking of that, I think a great feature about this too is that it does create that barrier for those items that aren't in the storage container, not allowing them to roll under the seat to find or to be forgotten until you clean your truck again. Now, this will be durable, made of a high-density thermoplastic construction, which basically means that it's tough, thick plastic, which is perfect for tools and heavier items that you may put in there. This is going to hold up very well to that. Now, again, I do want to point out the fact that this is going to be a full container, not just an organizational divider. So the lower portion of this box will have raised detailing molded into the construction to allow for traction for your items, and even a small place for fluid to puddle if your tools get muddy or spare fluids get spilled. Now, what's also great about the construction here is that this just sits underneath the seat, and the shape and the weight of the compartment is enough to keep it in place. So if you want to pop it out and clean it, it's going to be effortless to do so. Now, this will come in at about $175, which for solid interior storage is a great price. Compared to other solutions for storage, this is a big, well-fitted, and easily accessible option. Compared to other under-the-seat options, this may not provide some security like other choices or fancy colors, but what it will do is hold up to your heavy-duty lifestyle, keep your items organized, and keep your truck clean, and it's gonna make your life easy whenever you have to clean it or clean your truck, making it a solid option for your crew cab. Install will be effortless at a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you roughly 15 minutes to get the job done, but I wouldn't be surprised if you got it done sooner. Now, speaking of the install, one of our customers has installed this on their F-150 and is going to show you the fitment and what you can expect out of the install. So that is going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Kevin. This is going to be an install of the Rough Country under-seat storage bin. This is a 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat with the 5.0 motor. So pretty much install is pretty simple. Pretty much everybody knows. Come here, this seat up. Here, same thing with this side. You lift that up. And what you want to do is take the unit. You want to slide it all the way in, and what it's going to do is these lips here are actually going to hook onto this existing panel. And at first I wasn't too happy with it, but it actually works out pretty well. So you're going to get under here, you're going to hook it onto that, just like so. So as you can see, once this is hooked into here, it hooks into this U shape, and it also does the same all the way down. I'll show you the other side. So I'll show you again. Here's my power inverter, and what you're pretty much going to do is hook it onto the lip. And this piece here is another lip here that's going to hook right in this little sort of U channel here. And that, when the seat folds down, you're going to see that it doesn't move anywhere. At first I was a little afraid of it moving. It doesn't. So what you're going to do is this. You're going to take this, fold it down, and as you see, it's a perfect fit. It's almost like, you know, it was meant to be there. So I'll show you the other side. You see here that's nice and snug. You can't move it because it's into this U channel here. I have some other auxiliary lighting that I'm able to run through here. No issues at all. You're gonna come here, fold the seat down, and there you have it. It's set. It looks real nice. It's nice and snug. I'm really impressed with it. Super, as you can see, super fast install. And thank you again to American Trucks and Rough Country.
So that's going to wrap it up for my review and the install of the Rough Country custom fit under seat storage compartment fitting all 2015 and newer Super Crew F-150s. And remember, for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.